Ciao, dear Sicily Lovers!
Hello everyone, how are you guys?
Greetings from...
No, don't, this time don't reveal. I wanted them to guess.
Okay.
Guess where we are. Let's give some clues. The key element, one of the key elements of the place where we are is the stone.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
And this place seems like it seems a living nativity scene.
Yeah. We are in the breakfast room of our hotel. So look at that. It is completely carved into the stone. Can I switch?
Okay.
I try to switch. And now, Rosella, I follow you. Aspetta, non te ne andare troppo veloce.
Very cute.
Okay. Come on. Wait for me.
Please, look only the room and not the disorder that we have in the room.
Yeah, because we worked until 5 minutes ago. You can see the computers are in the bed, on the bed.
Everything is everywhere.
A lot of confusion. But they are Rosella's clothing.
Yeah.
Rosella's clothes.
I'm ready to go out with this beautiful crochet and
Sei
bag.
sei in controluce.
What do you think? Is it good matching?
Let's show the bathroom.
It's very big.
So big for Rosella and I.
Can we reveal that for the first time we had the shower together?
No, this is a secret.
Oh, wow!
This is a secret.
I reveal it. And the most important thing is the view. So now you are able to understand where we are.
Do you want to switch? Do you want to say something, Rosella?
This way, Gianca.
I am taller, so I go this way. No, not too much, not too much.
Here.
Okay, I think this is good. Guys, guess where we are now? We only give you a second clue. We are not in the province of Palermo anymore. We are in East Sicily, in the southeast. I said this is one of the key elements of this town is the stone. Now I give you one more clue. The Baroque architecture. this village, this town boasts some of the best churches, the best palazzo, the best buildings, the best balconies.
And it's an UNESCO
And
site.
it belongs to the UNESCO World Heritage List. Guess where we are?
Maureen!
Maureen, very good. You are very,
You're
very
right.
good. Maureen, she's a wonderful Sicily lover. We are in Ragusa, not Noto, guys. We are in Ragusa.
Ragusa Ibla.
Actually, in Ragusa Ibla. You can see behind us Ragusa Superiore.
Yeah.
You know, the town is divided in Ibla, the historic center, and Ragusa Superiore. That's also an historical place, as you can see. Perhaps it's not so zoomed, but there are beautiful churches also in Ragusa Superiore. And this is our hotel. We are following, this is the correct way to say that we are following our special friends from California,
Yeah.
the San Filippos and the McCluskeys.
We planned for them a custom private tour of Sicily, 14 days, if I'm not wrong.
14 days, full amazing locations to visit, great food and wine experiences. Today they went in a beautiful winery in the southeast of Sicily.
In the morning,
In
yes.
the morning they went also to Marzamemi, the world famous fishing village of Marzamemi.
And now we are going to meet them at 6 p.m.
In 20 minutes we will meet them.
Yeah.
What we do?
To have a walking tour, a guided walking tour of Ragusa with them all together.
With a local guide, a professional local guide, because we are just, how do you say, watching that everything is perfect for them. We are the owners of the tour company. We don't do any guided tours, guys. When we see us talking about the places, talking about something interesting in Sicily, this is just for fun. We don't ask money for this. We can't, because the owners of a tour company can't speak at all.
Yeah.
Only professional local guides
We
are
just plan.
allowed. Only professional guides are allowed to make this work, this job, and so they will have a local guide, very nice lady, who will display them and us, because we are involved in the same tour. We wanna know all the secrets of Ragusa now. So we are in this case we are in a beautiful Baroque town. If
Yeah.
you come to Sicily, guys, I think this is not how do you say, popular in particular in the United States, in Canada yet, as it deserves. Many Italians and European people now know that the area of Ragusa is wonderful, but
Yeah.
many Americans don't know, and they don't ask to include this area in their tours of Sicily. So please be careful, because you miss a treasure. This
Yeah.
is so beautiful. The people are amazing. The food is spectacular, delicious. You can enjoy wonderful food tastings here. Would you like to say what we did yesterday? Or is a secret?
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
You cannot reveal everything, Gianca.
So-
Just check our Instagram and Facebook stories and you will discover.
I'm uploading all the videos also on our.
YouTube channel, you can say.
I can say,
Yeah.
okay, I don't mind what Mr. Zuckerberg will think about it. I don't mind. So we used to upload all the videos. In particular, yesterday we went to a special farm dedicated to the making of the cheese, olive oil, and grain. They make the flour, the Sicilian flour, with the ancient Sicilian grains. So we had a special experience. We had no internet connections, so we didn't make any live broadcast, but Gianca made some videos. So in the next days I will edit all those videos and I will put in our YouTube channel. In the meantime, you can see the last episodes. I just uploaded the episode number 4. 4, we say in Italian. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is Italian. This is American. 4. Number 4, dedicated to Erice, and a short live broadcast from Florio Winery in Marsala.
Yeah.
If you are curious, if you want to know something more about Erice, this is a short live broadcast.
And let me please say, reply to Ingrid. Ingrid asked about my jewelry. So Ingrid, if you want to find this crochet jewelry, you can visit our online store, SiciliLover.com. These treasures belong to our crochet jewelry collection, totally, entirely, and made in Sicily with love by the hands
let me switch.
Daniela.
Daniela, the queen of crochet. Wow. Prickly pears, crochet earrings, and necklace. And they are beautiful gems.
With the crystal beads, yeah.
Crystal beads. Oh, it's so beautiful. Daniela, grazie. You make Rosella more beautiful as she is. Allora.
So it's time to say hello, Gianca, because I don't want to be late.
At 6 o'clock,
yeah,
they will wait for us at the entrance of their hotel. We have a meeting also with the local guide, and we will start our guided tour all together. Yeah. So guys, if you wanna know something more about this beautiful place, again, we are in Ragusa Ibla, in the southeast of Sicily, province of Ragusa.
And we can reveal the name of this place where we are.
We are in a beautiful hotel. They have only, we say, boutique hotels. Really small, with a few rooms, but with a high quality. This is Sabinirica. That means in Sicilian, you are blessed. It's a kind of ciao, hello, good morning, you're blessed.
Yeah.
In Sicilian, Sabinirica, and thanks to Laura for she's the owner. A very
welcoming, nice girl.
She's so, how do you say, a great attention to details. Sorry, because our room was very it's a mess, but it's completely, it's a beautiful hotel. And if you will see us in 30 minutes,
more or less,
40 minutes, 1 hour, we will be again in live broadcasting from Ragusa Ibla. We will try to show you, to display you the best of this beautiful town. So, keep on watching.
We love you.
See you soon, very soon.
Share this live broadcast so your friends could be alerted about our next live broadcast. Sorry if we didn't reply to all the comments of the previous live broadcast. We will do in the next days.
I can only see the names,
No,
Ingrid.
but not only this, we have a lot of comments to reply.
Yeah.
So we will do, guys.
Guys, we've been so busy, and
one per one we will do.
Tomorrow, for example, we didn't have any opportunity to follow our clients, our friends from California. They were with the driver and with the local guide, but
maybe in Modica we can, and maybe in Noto, we don't know.
We are trying to follow also our business, because we have a lot of business, a lot of work to manage in the same time. So tomorrow we will be in Modica, for example. See in 40 minutes, 1 hour?
More or less. Let's go live when we can.
Okay, from Ragusa.
From Ragusa Ibla.
Yeah. Ciao.
Hugs and kisses from Sicily.
From Ragusa Ibla. Ciao.
Ciao.
Hello everyone, hello again.
Ciao dear Sicily Lovers, live again from...
We are not in Washington. That's the beautiful Cathedral of San George in Ragusa Ibla, in the historic center of Ragusa, southeast of Sicily, UNESCO site. Wonderful, beautiful nature that surrounds this beautiful place, and we are super happy.
Yes, the Baroque style is the most important feature here in Ragusa Ibla.
Yeah, we have beautiful valleys, a stunning architecture, beautiful people, wonderful, delicious foods. So let's show the surroundings.
Yeah, starting with the view.
Oh, it's a pity because that is Ragusa Superiore. That is the surroundings of Ragusa. This is Rosella, and this is the beautiful dome, the beautiful Cathedral of St. George. So we've been following the San Filippo from the beginning, and the McCaskey from the beginning of their tour of Sicily. We planned a private tour of Sicily for them. Behind us, this is the hotel where they stay here in Ragusa. So the hotel is named Duomo Relè, and we say hello to Katia, the owner. The hotel has an important feature, at least one.
Yeah.
Guys, the hotel faces the cathedral. Guys, are you ready to discover Ragusa Ibla with us?
Let's go.
Let me show again. This is a boutique hotel also, and balconies face the cathedral. So let's start our guided tour. We have to meet the local guide Barbara in a few minutes. She's already with our friends. So we are taking this staircase to the main square, Piazza Duomo, the square of the cathedral.
And we love Ragusa Ibla because it's very quiet, and every time we enjoy peaceful moment here in Ragusa Ibla.
That's the staircase. Let's go this way.
If you come to Ragusa Ibla, you will lost every time. Don't worry about this, because every time Gianca and I lost ourselves here.
Yeah, we get lost every time, always.
Because it's full of narrow streets.
It's a maze, a labyrinth of narrow streets. And, but it's so beautiful to get lost here. Because it's a very nice place. A beautiful combination between wild nature, beautiful valleys, and an astonishing, great Baroque architecture. Oh, look at that balconies.
That one are beautiful.
Yeah.
Like a lot of animals. You can see animals.
Only a few cars
are allowed to enter.
Yeah, only the resident people.
Yeah.
Rosella, let's go to the dome, to the cathedral. Are you ready?
Of course.
So that's just the back side of the cathedral.
And Ibla is so rich because there was an earthquake, and so they rebuilt. No, Gianca? This place.
Yeah, this is so important, Rosella. You are right.
Yeah. So please.
No, I'm comfortable with the selfie mode. Please.
I want to be the camera woman sometime, Gianca.
Okay, I have to do the anchorman. Okay, I understand what you mean. like Alberto Angela, she always. I just say this is a sort of joke. She says, "I'm like Alberto Angela, a very popular TV anchorman." So guys, out of the joke, Ragusa was destroyed in 1693 by a terrible earthquake that was a catastrophe. Facciamo passare la macchina. And the best architects of that time have been involved in the reconstruction, in the rebuilding of this town. And then you will see the result of this beautiful Baroque architecture style. Oh, this is amazing. We are now approaching the main square in Ragusa Ibla. As you can see, a lot of people are enjoying their time. They are enjoying their aperitif. If you come to Ragusa, don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the local wine. We have special wine like the Cerasuolo, like the Nero d'Avola, and please, Rosella, don't miss this opportunity. This is the main church dedicated to San Giorgio, in the typical Baroque style. From the 1700s. It's a majestic, a huge cathedral.
No, io l'altro l'ho fatto ieri sera.
If you come to Ragusa Ibla, you can also take the train to have a wonderful tour of the historic center. It's very nice, a very nice experience. Look also at this fountain. You can see how elegant is Ragusa Ibla, and we suggest every time to spend at least 2 nights here in Ragusa Ibla. It's beautiful, guys. I love this place. So if you come to Sicily, Ragusa Ibla is the perfect place to spend at least 2 nights and discover the Baroque town near Ragusa Ibla, such as Sicily, Modica, very famous for the chocolate, you already know Modica, but also for the beautiful Baroque style.
It's a very, very quiet place. So touristic, so charming, but also very quiet. And we used to say this is one of the most authentic places in Sicily. Even if it's a UNESCO site, even if it's so popular, it remains one of the most beautiful places to visit in the most relaxing way. You can see only few cars driving. And you have churches everywhere. I know that the majority of you are not interested in churches, but if you come to Ragusa, you will be amazed by beautiful buildings and Baroque churches.
Ora dobbiamo andare a Piazza Pola
Sì.
e girare a sinistra, così andiamo da quello del Baroque.
There are many restaurants, many bars, places where you can enjoy the nightlife. This is, of course, not Palermo, not Taormina, but it's also very, very enjoyable. In the night you can walk, you can get lost with a glass of wine. No, Rosella, che ne pensi?
Of course.
Like Rosella and I.
Maybe I moved my microphone, so we have to check if my microphone is mute.
Let me see.
Prova.
I think it... No, your microphone works.
Ok.
Dove stiamo andando? Vuoi dirlo?
No, this is a surprise.
This is a surprise. We are getting close to the public garden. A beautiful souvenir shop. Oh, this is so nice. This is a special cheese shop, cheese store. And you can see there all the traditional cheese from the area of Ragusa. Ciao! Yeah. I'm displaying the kinds of cheese. Questi sono tutti formaggi di Ragusa, del ragusano. Ah, it says they are Sicilians in general. I'm blind, I can see, but we have caprino, pecorino, we have provola. Piacentino is from the province of Enna, Ennese. Possiamo fare una piccola... Vediamo cosa hanno dentro, grazie. Wow. Buongiorno.
Pomodorino, frino d'olio.
So guys, if you come to Ragusa, you can miss the opportunity to enjoy the local cheese. It's a delicious key element of the Sicilian cuisine. Hanno il ben di Dio. Buongiorno. Salutiamo che siamo in diretta. Arrivederci. Arrivederci, ciao.
Ciao.
So we are approaching the public garden. I didn't say hello to Tom McLean. Ciao Tom, how are you? Matteo Encita, Giacomo and Teresa. I can read. Rosella, Fred. Can you help me, Rosella? Because
Yes.
I don't have my glasses. Ah, look at that. This is so funny. the information about the distance of the main location in Sicily. So you have the sea salt pan Saline di Paceco. Then we have, it's I think the longest, 309 kilometers. Then we have Terme di Segesta, 275 because we are in the province of Trapani. Then we have Mount Etna. Then we have the Turkish steppe, the Alcantara Gorge, and this is the garbage, vetro plastica. That's funny. That is the entrance of the public garden.
Oh, the train is coming, the Baroque train.
Alla vostra destra potete ammirare l'ingresso laterale dell'antico Duomo di San Giorgio. Distrutto nel 1693, venne ricostruito nella sede attuale sul Duomo di San Giorgio.
Guys, this is one of the last buildings of elements before the earthquake. One of the last things that remains of the old town of Ragusa before the earthquake. So this is from the 1300.
Now
And
the train.
everything is completely renovated, rebuilt in the 1500 and in particular in the 1600 and 1700. So the most beautiful things you will see in Ragusa today are from the 1700. They are beautiful Baroque buildings. Behind me, you can see one of the few elements of the old town before the earthquake, the San George Gate.
We can go closer because now the
train.
yeah.
And you can see under the arch a statue, a description of San George. San George with the horse who's killing the dragon, the drake. San George is one of the most popular saints here in Sicily, but in particular in the area of Ragusa.
Yeah.
Because also Modica celebrates San Giorgio. There is a beautiful cathedral in Modica.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we will be there, perhaps. So we will show you another beautiful Baroque town.
It's our chance to travel around Sicily again, thanks to our beautiful Sicily lovers that decide to let us plan their custom private tour of Sicily.
Guys, now out of the joke, we tried to call the local guide to ask her, where are you? she doesn't answer because usually local guides are professional persons and they don't answer. They have the mute communication in the cell phone.
But of course, Ragusa Ibla is very small, so it will be not so hard to find them.
No, we will meet them for sure, but it's a pity because it was our opportunity to say all together our usual greetings.
We will do another live broadcast.
We will do another live broadcast in a few
them.
minutes. In particular, we have to display our friends the laboratory of the Sicilian cards.
Let's try to do.
This is a stop. This is a element of this guided tour. So we will see you in a few minutes. Okay, guys? Now we have to find our clients.
Love Hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Oh, guys, this is the first time that Rossella doesn't scream. I don't know why.
Also you, Gianca.
We are at a restaurant here in Ragusa, in the beautiful Ibla, the historic center of Ragusa. Look at that, guys. Look at behind us.
It's like a living native scene.
Nativity, yeah.
Yeah, living nativity.
And this is one of the most beautiful restaurants in Ragusa.
Yeah.
Look at the... We are on a terrace. What do you think? What do you think about the view?
This is one of the best view we can say. So romantic. And we are here with our beautiful friends, the San Filippo's family. They are enjoying their dinner. We have to speak very
very low, because we don't want to disturb people who are dining.
It's a very elegant restaurant, so we have to be polite, very charming.
Guys, I'm not joking. This is the first time that Rossella doesn't scream, and my ears are thanking you.
So we decided to make this live broadcast just to share with you this beautiful view. We don't want to say too many things, but because of course this view don't need words.
Yeah. Hello, Sherry.
Ciao, Sherry. Ciao, Joanna. Ciao, everyone. And now, Gianca, again, I would like to share this view, so switch in silence, so our friends can enjoy this view. Don't disturb people.
Don't disturb, no. Guys, we hope you can enjoy this view one day.
In person, of course.
In person. I think Sherry will enjoy this view next year with the beautiful people from Omaha. We are including this,
location.
This experience for you, and for all the people who wanna join us in Sicily. And guys, we look forward. I mean, the people from Omaha. We know that it has been very, very bad for everyone. But next year, 2022, will be the right year. Yeah. So, and for all the people who wanna visit Sicily in general, guys, we are here, and we look forward to meeting you in person and to let experience something like this.
Yes.
So we had the special dinner. What did you have?
I had the pasta with sage, mint, and
peppermint.
Tuna.
Peppermint
And tuna and almonds.
Very good.
And you had
I had a very, very good
the fried
fish and seafood, calamari, squids. Very, very good cuisine here in this restaurant.
And you can also enjoy a pizza here if you are a pizza lover.
Can we say the name of the restaurant? I think so, because they deserve.
Yeah.
We don't do it for advertising. We don't want to make advertising, but they deserve.
No, just a tip for you if you travel alone.
Yeah, because they ask us, and so we answer before you ask. Terrazze dell'Orologio in Ragusa Ibla.
Just in the heart of Ragusa.
Yeah.
If you miss our previous live broadcast, we made 2 live broadcasts today.
Yeah.
And so you can check the previous live broadcast. We are very happy because we are touring with beautiful Sicily Lovers, and it's our first
Alisa, ciao Alisa.
It's our first custom private tour after COVID pandemic, and so we are really touched because it's a new world, and finally we are very
We are starting a new life.
a new life, yeah.
A new life, new age,
And so we hope,
age of happiness.
yeah, and so we hope that next year will be a better year to host all our Sicily Lovers family.
So-
But in the meantime, of course, you can have a piece of Sicily at your home because our 100% online store, Made in Sicily, full of Made in Sicily items,
Take the
is
bag.
online.
Take the bag. Take the bag.
It's
Did you
over
did you
there.
already show?
I show in the previous live broadcast. And so SicilyLover.com is our newborn site, the first and the biggest.
100% and made in Sicily with love online store dedicated to Sicilian jewelry, Sicilian pottery, Sicilian clothing, Sicilian many Sicilian artwork. Handmade artwork. Everything is handmade. Also the t-shirts, guys. So
In Sicily with love.
everything is made in Sicily. And
And we will be ready to ship in the next days.
Yeah.
So we are collecting
So
all
the
the items.
first orders will be shipped in less than 1 week.
Yeah, yeah.
September 30, the orders will travel overseas.
Right from Sicily to your house. And now
Let's give some tips to our friends who want to visit Sicily. Why we are in Ragusa, for example? This is an important question that they are doing. Guys, Ragusa is the perfect home base to visit the southeast of Sicily. Don't miss this opportunity because it's beautiful. As Rossella said, it's a sort of nativity scene, a picturesque medieval town, not medieval town, Baroque town, sorry. We are talking about the 1700, because Ragusa was destroyed by a terrible earthquake in 1693, and the best architects were involved in the rebuilding of this town. So you will be amazed by beautiful views like this. You have the chance to enjoy, I think, one of the best food in Sicily.
in particular cheese. This area is very, very famous for cheese and olive oil.
Olive oil, and also I will say that people are beautiful. People are beautiful.
Yeah.
I think the authentic Sicily is here. what remains from the authentic Sicily is here in this area. Ragusa, Modica, Sicily.
That's why Ibla means the
Oh,
name,
I didn't.
godness of love.
I didn't say it. Ibla, the name of the historic part of Ragusa, Ragusa Ibla. Ibla is a goddess from the ancient people who lived in Sicily. Sicily, we are talking about the 9th century BC, before Christ. You know, guys, it's a long time, almost 3,000 years ago. Ibla was the goddess of love. So we are in the land of love. Ragusa Ibla. And I was saying, it's a strategic point. If you are if you stay here in Ragusa for a couple of days, you can enjoy beautiful towns such as Modica, Sicily. You can go in the surroundings. You can have very, very interesting food and wine experiences. There are very, very good wineries, good farmers. They produce the best cheese in Sicily. And on the way to Syracuse, when you move, you can visit Noto. That's also a beautiful town.
Yeah.
If you go the other direction, you can go to the Valley of the Temple, you can go to Caltagirone, the Roman Villa del Casale. So this is a home base. Please consider Ragusa as a home base. We used to include Ragusa in our tours of Sicily, in particular in the next group tour named Sicily Lovers Tour.
But unfortunately it's already...
It's sold out.
Sold out.
I'm sorry, but I'm very happy because it's something unexpected. We have sold all the available spots. So
But if you want to have an idea of our ideal tour of Sicily, you can check our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and check the Sicily vacation packages. You will find the Sicily Lover Tour.
Yeah.
It will take place in June 22. 2022.
You can download the itinerary and then just a sample, okay?
Yeah.
And you can ask us to make it in the same way if you wanna plan a private tour of Sicily.
Maybe we have to plan another edition in.
You never know. Perhaps we can do a second edition in June or in September.
Maybe.
But in June we are sold out. So this is the best we can expect in our life after 2 years of restrictions, of pandemic. So this is a gift from the sky. So thank you to all people who booked this tour with us.
Yeah.
For the others, don't worry, because we are at your disposal to plan a custom private tour, or you never know. We can plan another group tour in the
Maybe.
future.
Guys, now it's time to go back to the hotel.
We have to take the San Filippo and the McCluskeys back to the hotel, because I didn't say something. Ragusa Ibla is a sort of maze, a labyrinth.
Yeah.
So we can get lost
Every time.
Sometimes the navigator helps me.
Yeah.
To find the right road, and so I don't wanna make a bad impression.
Guys, we love you. See you tomorrow. And thanks for watching. If you like this live broadcast, please share with your friends. Invite them to follow us. Put your thumbs up.
Ciao Maria Quagenti. I don't see. Can you read the name, because I am
Joanne.
Joanne. Ciao.
Hello.
Joanne Bellomo. Yeah.
To everyone. God bless you.
Yeah.
From Sicily.
Thank you for giving your thank you for giving us your good vibes. We can feel it, and we really appreciate. We are in a beautiful place, the land of beauty, the land of love, Ibla, the goddess.
The only pity is
But,
that I'm with Gianca and Gianca with me. Okay, but it's okay.
You're never satisfied. Guys, we love you.
Dobbiamo salutare. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao.